Hey, Max, practicing the long jump? You've been watching the Olympics? That's a great idea, Maverick! A Monster Town Olympics! You're going to set one up? Sounds like a fun day!
Yay!
What are you doing, Maverick? Oh, you're looking for Mia so she can help.
Whoa!
You found her? Hey, Mia! Maverick wants to set up an Olympics. Can you help? Awesome! Thanks, Mia! Okay, so there are 3 events, and Mo is going to be the judge. That okay, Mo? What's first? A sprint? All right. Are you guys ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Maverick, you were the clear winner, right, Mo?
Whoa!
What's next, Mo? The high jump? All right. Mia won that, right, Mo? Are you ready for the long jump? You have to jump where the track stops, okay? Three, 2, 1, go! What? Max won the long jump? Good work, guys! How did you do that, Max? I guess practice does make perfect. You didn't win the long jump? Maverick, you can't win everything. And you had fun, didn't you?
Look at that. Yay! Wow! 나는
You're a good sport, Maverick. Besides, these weren't the only competitions. We'll do some more another time, right, guys? All right. See you next time, guys. Hi, Mike. How are you today? Looking good. What you up to? Preparing tonight's dinner, eh? It all looks very yummy. Hi, Mo. How are you doing? You look tired. Maybe you should rest for a while. What was that? It's probably just the wind. Don't worry, Mike. Sun is setting. You should probably take your corn and go home before it gets dark. Oh no! Where's your corn, Mike? What are you going to do? Do you think someone has taken it? All right, you stay here. We should call Maverick. He'll know what to do.
Woohoo! Whoa!
Hey, Marty, how's it going? What about you, Maverick?
Look at that.
This really looks fun. Marty, there's an emergency.
Oh no!
Maverick is going to have to take care of it. He'll be back soon. Don't worry. Hey, Malcolm.
Hello.
What are you looking for? Archaeology search, huh? Any good?
Nay.
Well, sorry to interrupt you in your work, but there's an emergency. Can you help?
Hey.
Here comes Maverick. He'll explain everything. So, Mike was preparing his dinner for tonight at the cornfield. And then realized that his corn had disappeared. He needs it for dinner.
Nay.
Can you help him?
Hey.
All right, let's go. Come on, Mike. We'll find your corn. Don't be all upset. Maverick has brought Detective Malcolm to help you on this peculiar case. Mike, could you explain to Malcolm what happened exactly? Mike was doing his daily chores on the cornfield and was collecting some corn for his dinner. When he came back to the pile to collect them, it was all gone. That's very strange. Mike, was there someone with you when it all happened? Not that Mike knows. Although, he did see Mo earlier, actually. Hey, Mo.
Bida.
Malcolm would like to ask you a couple of questions. It will only take a minute.
Babi baba.
What were you doing at the cornfield
Bada, bada.
today, Mo?
Pira putura.
Mo was towing some wood planks today to repair an old shed he used to play in when he was a kid.
Bada.
And how come we don't see your planks right
Bada.
now?
Huh?
Mo was very tired of the towing, so he decided to rest for a minute. His planks are just around the corner of the mill. Mo doesn't really like to be accused like that, unless you have evidence.
Bida. Nana.
Mo is probably not responsible for this, Malcolm.
Salah mo yun.
We need to find more clues, though.
Uh-huh.
Don't be all moody, Malcolm. We'll find out what happened.
Oh.
Look, corn tracks. Let's follow them.
Oh.
Huh?
All right, guys. There are still corn
Yeah.
tracks behind the mill. We should follow them and see where they lead. Well, well. What is all that? Looks like we have found your corn, Mike. But how come it's here?
Bada.
Yay.
Of course! The windmill pushed these away. Well, mystery solved, guys.
Hey.
Malcolm would like to apologize for accusing you in the first place, Mo.
Bida bo.
We all knew it wasn't you, obviously.
Hey.
Enjoy your meal, guys. See you soon.
Mo?
Hi there, Miranda. What happened in here? Oh, you're making a cure that will cheer up Mia? Gee, Mia, I'm sorry you're feeling so blue.
Pati, para papa. Mo? Ma?
Oh no, you're out of Happy Bird eggs. Without those, the cure won't work. I bet Maverick can find the missing ingredient. I'll fetch him. Don't worry. Hey, Maverick.
Wow.
I bet you couldn't hear me over your engine. Miranda is making a cure to cheer up Mia, but she can't find any of Happy Bird eggs. Can you help? Great. Let's get you ready for action. Hi, Malcolm.
Hello.
Are you having fun?
Bada. Whoa.
Here's Maverick.
Salah mo yun.
Malcolm, we're on a mission to find some Happy Bird eggs. It's to cheer up Mia. Can you help us?
Bida.
Hey, wait for us, Malcolm.
Salah mo yun.
Great. Miranda joined us. Come on, guys.
Ở đây.
According to Miranda, there might be happy birds in that cave,
Đi
but...
ra đó. Bắt đầu.
Hey, Malcolm, I wasn't done talking.
Phew.
Yikes, that's definitely not a happy bird.
Ai đó? Ai nào đó?
A nest. Aha, those are happy bird eggs for sure. I say we climb up there and give it a look.
Yay. Đi đi. Đi đi.
So, how are you going to get all the way up there? That's much too dangerous, Maverick. Aha! That's a splendid solution, Miranda. That ought to shake those eggs loose. There it goes. Quick, catch the eggs. Don't let them break. Phew, you did it. That was amazing. You're right. We must take care of Mia. Let's head back.
Yay.
Uh-oh. It's not happy we took the eggs. Wow. What was that?
Ai nào đó?
What is it, Maverick? Uh-oh. The roar must have shaken it loose. Go, go, go! Quick, turn left. Yikes. That was sure close. Now, let's get these eggs back to Mia.
Yay.
Finally, the sun came up. Hey, guys. Wow, you look so perky this morning.
Way.
Even Malcolm is in a good mood.
Ở đây.
Oh, hi, Mia. It's so good to see you flying again. Did Miranda's cure work? This is great. See you next time, friends. Wow, what was that? Hi, cranes. Why are you throwing some bales of straw? Hi, Max. Are you going to tell me what's happening here? You're building a race circuit? Awesome. Ooh, I see. It's Monster Town's Grand Prix tonight. Well, you'd better hurry up if you want to be ready before it gets dark. That's the spirit. Uh-oh. Cranes, what mischief are you planning this time? Take it easy, guys. Whew. Nice one, Max. Sometimes cranes can be really... Please don't play their game. You have a race circuit to finish. Oh, never mind. Guys? Milo? Mitch? Are you there? Max is so sorry. Yep, the cranes are completely knocked down for a while. You can't finish the race circuit by yourself, Max. Right. We should call Maverick. Meanwhile, you should take care of the cranes. Yep, they definitely need to get some rest. Maverick? Wow. Come on, Maverick. Everybody knows you're the fastest in Monster Town.
말랑이야?
Oh, you're training for the big race tonight? The Cranes and Max were shaping the race circuit for the Grand Prix tonight, and, well, things got out of hand. Max needs help to finish the race circuit. You have to do something, Maverick. Hi, Mia. Mia? You're here. Are you excited about the big race tonight? Mia, we need your help to finish the race circuit for tonight. Max is on his own right now. Milo and Mitch? Well, they're not at their best right now. You'll see. You're right, Maverick. We should get going. The clock's ticking away, guys. How do you feel, Cranes? It doesn't get any better, right? Meanwhile, we've got company. Oh, Milo and Mitch? They've just been hit by a bale of straw. But it was an accident, right, Max? All right, guys, let's go to work. We have a race circuit to achieve. Great teamwork, guys. Come on, Maverick. Dig deep. We're almost finished. Finally. Are you guys feeling any better? Oh, the race circuit? Prepped and ready for action. You want to race too? Are you sure it's a good idea? Maybe you still need some... Ladies and gentlemen, the big race is about to start. Ready, set, go! Guys, in the other way. Enjoy the race, my friends. See you soon.
I wonder what Mo's up to. He sounds busy. Mo, look out! Mo, are you okay? You're right. I'm not sure how strong that tree is. Okay, I'll get Maverick. Hey, Maverick. New suspension. Mo is in trouble. He drove off a cliff and landed on a tree. Can you help? You're going to get Mia? I think she's out of town. All right, Milo and Mitch could do it. Lucky that tree was there, eh? All right, let's go. Maybe they took a day off work? Mo, Maverick is trying to find some help. Hold tight. Maverick needs your help to find Milo and Mitch. Can you help?
Vào đây.
Maybe they're at home. They're not in. Let's look for some clues. You're going to follow the trail? All right. Right, the trail stopped. Sun cream? That can only mean one thing, right? The beach! Exactly! Oh, you're right, Malcolm. There are a lot of beaches in Monster Town. Which one will it be? The sunniest beach, of course.
Wow.
Guys, we need your help. Mo is stuck on a tree on a cliff. He needs to be rescued right away. Let's go. Mo, hang on. Maverick is bringing help. Mia! It was a good thing you got here. How did you know to come? Oh, you saw nobody was around, so you looked on Maverick's monitor? Well, that's very lucky. Thanks so much, Mia. See you later, guys. Bye-bye, everyone.
Hey guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.